Ready to turn your passion into a profession? At Boy Institute of Media Studies, we believe your creative dreams deserve a launchpad. Partnering with international athletes, we offer a full suite of professional courses in content creation, film production, photography, and graphic design. Learn from industry experts and master skills you need to succeed. From an unbeatable price of 500 Kenya shillings per tutorial, you can complete a full course and start your career. Our courses are flexible, with all tutorials available for offline use. Learn anytime, anywhere. Don't just dream about your future, invest in it. Enroll now and begin your fast-track journey in the creative world. Visit our website at boyinstitute.com to register, or simply text or WhatsApp us at 0720 945 535.